Hello, welcome back to
Adventures with Autism.
Okay, so this week we've not gone far, we've just come down to our local park right in the middle of town, and you might be able to hear them warming up. So they're playing, we've got a band playing in the bandstand, two in fact. So to begin with, we've got our Chewett Youth Band, which is my old youth band. I used to be in that many years ago, and even after I left, my dad was a big part of it. In fact, they've got a trophy in his name after he passed. Then after that, you've got the world famous Black Dyke Band playing. So we're going to sit and watch them. The kids are going to have a play in the park. Hopefully the rain holds off, and we'll see how we get on. Right.
It's going to thunder.
Maybe thunder, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
It's always nice to know my mum's here. Welcome back to live music, everybody. Oh, I can't tell you how great it is to be back. We performed for the first time yesterday in 18 months. Oh, we had so much fun. We really did, over at the Wetherby Bandstand there. It was superb. Because it was the first time that the band had actually played together. When restrictions were lifted, we were able to come back in small groups and small numbers. But some people never actually met other people in the band before, up until yesterday. So we had lots of fun, and they played really well. They really did. I'm so proud of them. Aren't we all proud of them? So it's fantastic to do a performance this afternoon in our hometown, and especially to welcome our wonderful guests, the world famous Black Dyke Band.
Robert, down, let me just show me what you wanted to show me.
Well, I'm sure I wanted to get the hell out of the tree. I'm sick of retrieving you from it.
I never get stuck.
Very nice.
I've already had to come over and tell you to shut up because we keep been shouting at each other.
Hello.
Say hi.
Out of that
Hi.
tree.
So I had to cut the concert short, actually. It kind of started raining. Just a little bit. Got all the kids back in the car. I'm just going to go back and meet Mum now because she decided to leave her phone at home, so I can't ring her. So I'm now getting a bit wet. Thankfully I've got an umbrella, and we'll see how we get on.
So we're back in the car.
We got really wet. Louise has been awful today. She'd ruined this day before the rain even came. Robert's not been too bad, but we're back in the car. It's absolutely chucking it down. I'm drenched, so we're going to go home.